In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compare two versions of a document in Microsoft Word. Comparing documents is a very useful feature, especially if you're reviewing edits, tracking changes from multiple contributors, or making sure no important details were missed between versions. Microsoft Word makes it easy to see all differences, additions, and deletions in a single, consolidated view, saving time and reducing errors. To start, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You don't need to open either of the documents you want to compare yet, as Word will guide you through the process. Next, go to the Review tab at the top of the Word window. The Review tab contains all the tools related to editing, tracking changes, and reviewing your document. Look for the Compare section, which includes a button labeled Compare. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Compare again. This opens a new window where you can choose the documents you want to compare. You'll see two fields, Original Document and Revised Document. Click Browse next to each field and select the corresponding Word files from your computer. Once both documents are selected, you can customize how Word will display the comparison. Options include showing changes in a new document, displaying them in line, or highlighting them in balloons. You can also decide which elements to include in the comparison, such as formatting, comments, or case changes. Adjust these settings according to your needs. After configuring your preferences, click OK. Word will generate a new document that shows all differences between the two versions. Insertions, deletions, and formatting changes will be clearly marked, making it easy to identify what has been added or removed. You can now review the compared document using Word's standard reviewing tools, accept or reject changes, and make additional edits if necessary. This allows you to create a final version that incorporates all updates from both documents efficiently. And that's it. By using the Compare feature in Microsoft Word, you can quickly and accurately track changes between two versions, streamline your review process, and ensure nothing is overlooked. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.